drilling, plus reaming, plus countersink, plus tapping, all inventing the incredible all-rounder MAB 485 magnetic core drilling machine from the Profi Plus category. Weighing just 13 kilograms, the MAB 485 is compact, fast and a versatile machine. Performing up to 40mm diameter core drilling and up to 50mm cutting depth capacity. Up to 18mm diameter twist drilling. Up to 18mm diameter reaming. Up to 40mm diameter countersink. The premium feature of the MAB 485 is tapping up to M16. The tap takes the travel and operates quick and easy. The reversible motor helps the tap to come out without damaging the thread and the tool. Simply better drilling. Powerful 1150 watt motor. Unbelievably lightweight. High performance, 2-speed gears. Permanent internal lubrication. Unique oil bath gearbox. Intelligent magnet indicator and safe switches. Reversible motor for easy tapping. Variable speed control for precision. Equipped with MT2 Morse tapper. Sleek integrated oil tank. Brilliant carbon brush wear indicator. Amazing complete internal cabling. Full wave control electronics, motor overheat protection for safety. The MAB 485 magnetic core drilling machine. The best entrance in the Profi Plus category.